This is the homage to George Michael. So I've got the little peaks here and the little soul patch.
All right, guys, I've been a bad citizen and a bad friend. A long time ago, this company called Dri Biz has a product called Dri Blade, and it's made to prolong the life of your cartridge blades. And the fellow who owns this business right here in the US, his name is Pat. He sent me this beautiful box like a long time ago. Dare I even look at the date on this? And it's been sitting in my to test area for way too long. So Pat, first of all, thank you for sending me this product. And I apologize for not getting to it earlier. I'm a little crazy, but here we go. Now, again, this is a solution, a product that will help extend the life of your cartridge blades. And how it does that, I don't know, because I'm not smart like Pat. But I'll tell you, I do like myself a cartridge blade, and I do like to extend said cartridge blades, because many, many years ago, when I was a Gillette shaver and the Mach 3 came out, it was like the best shave I'd ever had. And then I had to start taking out loans, for my 401k to buy blades. Because the cartridge blades can get very expensive. Enter solutions, products like this. Now this is called Dri Blade, and we'll open it up. Thank you, Pat. Oh, nice. And what this does, from what I gather, is it wicks away moisture, which prevents or helps prevent corrosion or oxidation, rust, right? So there's this little tray in here where you put your blade after use instead of air drying it. And in the bottom there are the little workers that wick away that moisture. It's very simple, guys. This is a simple product. But sometimes the simplest products are the best products. I'll put this back in, and it's got a fancy Dri Blade logo here around this. And I think you could probably take this off and wear it if you'd like. I can rep the Dri Blade. So there's no odor, which is nice. Let's see what else comes in this kit. There's a little cloth here. A little Dri Blade thank you for your purchase. For instructions, tips, promotions, and other Dri Biz products, please visit www.dribiz.com. You can click on that and go right to dribiz.com and let them know the average guy sent you. What else is in here? How to recharge. So it says, after a few months of usage, examine the color indicator. If pink, remove tray. Place pod with silica gel within microwave. Set for 3 minutes on medium. When complete, open the door and let cool for 2 minutes. Remove pod, caution, may still be hot, and gently stir for 1 minute. Let cool for 10 additional minutes and place tray back within pod. Indicator will change back to blue. That's pretty cool. So it comes with instructions on how to recharge your Dri Blade. So if you look, my pod is still blue. It's blue, guys. And this is the Sharp White. Gillette Labs exfoliating razor, the Sharp White. it's going to go into this, right? It's going to go right in there. After the next shave, I'm going to plop it in there, and I'm going to have a dry blade. Now, I'm not shaving today, but I want to ask you guys, I shaved just the other day. I have the mustache going. This is the homage to George Michael. So I've got the little peaks here and the little soul patch. I'll be doing another cleanup shortly with this razor, and then I'm going to throw it into the dry blade. And I'm going to dry out this blade and extend the life of this blade. Look it up. This is an expensive cartridge, guys. It's a great cartridge, but it's expensive. And you can throw it. Ooh, and you can throw it right into this little. Oh, throw it right in there. And then when you're ready to take it out, click in there and you got it out there. All right, dry blade. All right, here we go. We're gonna put it in there, leave it in there, close it up, and let it do its magic. And this can be stored in your shaved in. It looks nice. It's a nice complement and color scheme to the shaved in. And it works for all different cartridges. In fact, you could put your cartridge in there and someone else's cartridge in there. Your partner, your friend, your enemy, whoever you want to put. So look for my next shave. And I'll be showing you dry blade. And Pat, again, thank you for sending me this awesome gift to test out. Again, I apologize for letting it sit on the shelf for so long, but I'm excited to try it out. And I'm excited to have each and every one of you join me for this video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of Dri Blade, Dri Biz. Get over to their website. Check them out and let Pat know the average guy sent you. All right, guys. I'll see you next time, which will probably be, I don't know, tomorrow, the day after, or in a month. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. Now roll the music.